Join me as I try out this nighttime drink that promises to give me a magical Christmas glow by morning. Because if there's ever a season where we all want to look lit from within, it's this one. And the secret might just be sitting in your kitchen right now. You know, it always amazes me how certain foods and drinks, especially during the holidays, can do more for your skin than half the creams on the shelf. It's almost shocking how a single cup of the right ingredients can turn a dull winter complexion into something bright enough to rival your Christmas lights. And when I heard people whispering about this one bedtime drink that delivers overnight radiance, I knew I had to try it and bring you along with me. As the holiday season wraps itself around us like a warm blanket of lights, music, and festive chaos, there's this universal desire to step into Christmas morning feeling fresh, glowing, and undeniably beautiful. Whether we're hosting family, traveling, visiting loved ones, or snapping photos we'll look back on for years, everyone wants that magical glow that says, "I woke up like this, and yes, it's Christmas magic." When I first stumbled across this drink, I instantly felt that spark of curiosity. Could a simple bedtime routine actually transform my skin while I sleep? Could it help me wake up with that soft, luminous, Christmas morning kind of radiance we all dream about? The idea alone set the tone for something inviting and almost enchanting. But before we even get to the recipe, let's be honest. Winter does things to our skin that no one asked for. The cold air outside feels crisp and festive, but the moment it hits your face, it begins pulling away every drop of moisture. And then we walk inside where heaters and dry air finish the job, leaving our skin tight, flaky, dull, or just tired. Some mornings, especially during December, I wake up and look in the mirror thinking, this can't be my real face right now. And judging by the comments I get, I know so many of you relate. It's the season of photos, gatherings, surprise visits, parties, events, and we want our skin to reflect the joy we feel, but winter doesn't always cooperate. You can drink all the water you want, lather yourself in moisturizer, and sleep 8 hours, and still feel like your glow took a holiday trip without you. And let's not forget the festive temptations. Cookies here, hot cocoa there, roasted marshmallows, Christmas candies, late-night treats. Yes, they make the season magical, but sometimes our skin shows the consequences in ways we don't appreciate. This is why I'm always searching for little natural boosts that help me glow from within, especially when the holidays get busy. And when I found out what was inside this glow drink, I realized it wasn't just hype, it actually made sense. Everything in it works together, almost like a tiny Christmas miracle for your skin. At the heart of this drink are 3 powerful ingredients: turmeric, ginger, and pineapple. Turmeric is like the quiet superhero of the skincare world, famous for its anti-inflammatory properties that help calm redness, reduce irritation, and give the skin a more even-toned appearance. It's that golden spice that people have used for centuries because it targets the kind of winter irritation we all experience. Then there's ginger, the warm, spicy root that does more than add flavor. It's loaded with antioxidants that help fight the little bits of damage our skin collects throughout the day, things like stress, pollution, and those long hours spent in dry indoor air. Ginger helps protect your skin and supports that naturally vibrant look that feels youthful and healthy. But the real star, the ingredient that makes this drink feel truly magical for Christmas, is pineapple. Pineapple is rich in vitamin C, which is absolutely essential for collagen production. Collagen gives the skin its bounce, its smoothness, its firmness. Basically, everything that makes skin look like you've had 8 hours of sleep even when you haven't. Vitamin C also brightens and evens out your complexion, helping fade dullness and give you that awakened, fresh-faced glow. When you pair pineapple with turmeric and ginger, you get a drink that works like a mini overnight spa treatment from the inside out. And the best part, the recipe is so simple it almost feels too good to be true. To make this magical Christmas glow drink, you just need half a cup of pineapple juice, a small pinch of turmeric powder, a pinch of ginger powder, and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. The lime juice adds a burst of vitamin C and helps the flavors come alive. You can mix everything in a glass, stir it gently until the colors blend into a beautiful golden drink, and enjoy it warm or cold before bed. Some people like to garnish it with thin slices of fresh pineapple or even a sprinkle of cinnamon for a festive twist that makes the whole experience feel luxurious. If you want it extra cozy, warming it slightly turns it into a soothing nighttime ritual. And if ginger isn't your favorite, you can reduce it, skip it, or replace it with something gentler like a hint of nutmeg. When I took my first sip, I understood why people love it. The taste is sweet, warm, and tropical with a tiny kick of spice that immediately feels comforting. And knowing that every ingredient is quietly working to boost your radiance overnight makes the drink feel even more magical. I love that this isn't just another trend. It's a simple little ritual that not only helps your skin but also helps you pause, breathe, and indulge in a moment of calm during the busy holiday season. Making this drink part of your bedtime routine can genuinely transform the way your skin looks and feels when you wake up. Imagine stepping into Christmas morning with skin that looks smoother, brighter, and more alive. Imagine feeling confident in every photo, every gathering, every surprise moment. This drink isn't just about beauty, it's about giving yourself a moment of self-care that makes you glow from the inside out. And honestly, the feeling of waking up with a soft, radiant complexion. It's worth every single sip. So, if you want to experience this magical Christmas glow, I encourage you to try this drink tonight. Make it, enjoy it, and let me know in the comments how your skin feels in the morning. Tell me if you notice a difference after a few nights, because I love hearing your experiences. And if you want more simple beauty tips for Christmas, more festive routines, more ways to glow this holiday season, make sure you watch the other videos waiting for you on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this cozy Christmas glow journey with me, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment sharing your results. I can't wait to see you in the next one.